The mind is powerful. Once you commit to something, every cell in your body works towards that thought. So if you think bad thoughts, you are aligning yourself with struggle. For example, we don't say, I can't have that. Instead, we say, if I want that, how can I get it? Both people want the same thing. One just is on the path to making it happen, and the other just told every cell in their body and the universe, don't allow this to happen for me. We block our blessings, but this goes deeper than we can get into in this video. Just understand the concept of the matrix is deeper and realer than most understand. You have been taking the blue pill from birth all your life, and you are a slave to this system. Some have even grown comfortable. They will complain about inflation and their life not being what they want. For most, as soon as you mention make money, their first instinct jumps to, this is a scam. Again, blue pill mentality. Have you ever heard of no rewards without risk? You have been programmed to be afraid of the very things that can actually get you what you want. Some of us were born red pill, like Mr. Leverage, the person you saw at the beginning of this video. He is also the person who made the system for us red pill people. We know we cannot get what we want with traditional programming, and we must do something different if we want to live the way we want to in this lifetime. This is a must with inflation and the direction this world is going in. We are a part of a billion and soon to be trillion-dollar industry. This includes internet money, digital products, software as a service, AI money, and more. All these things are real things. We are going to show you how this cash flow system can give you exactly what you have been looking for: financial freedom and getting more of your time back for what's important to you. Before we continue, understand there are way more blue pill people than us red pill people. We cannot save the world. Everyone is not ready for daily cash flow. Some will go from blue pill to purple, but before they go red, they fall back asleep and soon are back to blue pill status. If you are fine with your life and money is not an issue, then you would not be here. If you are ready to do something about it, you don't want to do it alone, and you are an action taker. Action takers are also red pill people. Keep listening and let us share with you how we will break free of the matrix immediately. The goal is to never worry about money again, and to do this, it needs to come in on autopilot and daily. For now, let's get everyone into a new game. When you earn money daily, everything in your life changes. When you can get paid from different price points, you maximize your profits and make more money. People like and need options. There is no one-size-fits-all. Now we have a 6-figure blueprint, a 10K plan blueprint, and a never go broke ever again blueprint, but those would involve a dedicated team. Those members are known as our Cash Flow Society members. These are red pill people who have chosen to do what we do for life, and these types of people are the ones you see that make all the money. Phase 2 is where we assemble those who are ready to commit to our 6-figure blueprint. Right now, we want to focus on you making cash flow as fast as possible and as easy as possible. Welcome to our 5M project, which stands for Make More Money in Minutes movement. If you want in, let's get into how this works. Again, this is a deep subject, but we are going to simplify this. If people do not make money fast enough, they will not work their business. So is instantly fast enough for you. Below are 3 levels that will allow you to earn anywhere from $25 all the way to $2,000 per commission. These are all direct and instant, and you choose the way you get paid. Jumpstart will unlock a free system attached to a referral program that pays $25 instantly to you for free when you get started today. Then when someone joins you, your referral bonuses will range from $50, $75, sometimes even $100. This system is free and an important piece of your cash flow system. Unlock it right now. It's free. Before we continue, every system here is standalone, so you can promote them separately. We help you with whatever path you choose that works best for you. So that was Jumpstart. Next up is Fast. Fast is a unique system that can turn $100 into thousands fast. You will have another DFY system and step into the world of SaaS. That's software as a service. The system will give you all the details. Lastly, there is Turbo. If you are super serious about earning $500 to $1,000 per day, you need our Turbo Instant Pay income stream. This system is special because you can earn $200 and $400 commission again instantly. It has built-in traffic. It is another huge piece to reaching 10K and working towards 6 figures. In closing, every DFY system here pays you instantly and has no ongoing monthly fee. You buy it once, you own it forever. Unlock what resonates with you. If you want to follow our blueprint to the T, you need everything here. So the goal is to unlock everything as fast as possible so you can get this page and earn from every system at every level. Soon we will enter into phase 2, but that will be for all the action takers, which is our team build. But for now, in phase 1 wave 0, we are starting our 90-day blitz June 3rd. You can join us anytime, but the sooner the better for you. For the first 30 days, we will teach you how to build your audience. This will bring and build you awareness. This will turn into cash flow. The more you work with us, the more you can make and the faster you can earn. If it is before June 3rd, you are one of the first to have access to this system. If it's after June 3rd, we are into our first 30 days of our first 90-day blitz for Wave 0. Again, in the first 30 days, we will focus on your branding, awareness, audience building, and you earning cash flow on autopilot. This instant pay multiple income stream system is major. Take action and earn in minutes once you start sharing and unlock any level. Set up your done-for-you systems. Your inviter will email you once you opt into our form. Be sure to check your spam folder and mark not spam and put the email in your inbox. If you leave your phone number, which is optional, we will text you some insider info. We are looking to grow fast and link up with other red pill people and make our money make us more money. Join our 5M project today. We just got more news as this video is being completed. We will share with the action takers and those that get on our VIP email and SMS text list. If you leave your phone number, our members will text you. We are serious about rapid change and helping you earn today. See you on the inside. Don't miss your chance. Our time is right now. We give you the car doesn't mean you know how to drive it. With Autopilot Money Academy, once you join us, you have opened the doors to prosperity, because as long as you don't quit on yourself, we will get you to the finish line in record time. If you do nothing else, get your free $25 from Jumpstart today. If you're ready for 10K, unlock the $400 level.